Hello guys, welcome to Crazy Days. Today we're doing a giveaway, a thank you, all in one. I told you guys last week in a video that I would be doing a giveaway this week, and hey, I've almost reached 3,000 subs. I am just overwhelmed. So Deep South has reached 36,000. We never even thought we would get 500, so we're blessed. You guys have been such a blessing to us. In the past 2 or 3 weeks, we've had people with cards and letters and sending prep stuff and coming and helping do the wood and getting things done. And it's just been overwhelming. These people they've all been, tears. I don't even know how to thank you guys. You have been such a blessing. And I can't give back as what I'd want to give back. But today, thank you. From the bottom of my heart, from me and from Danny. And guys, I want to do the Bette's Box of Blessings. We're going to do a giveaway. So you go back to the video, Bette's Box of Blessings. And on that video, you watch it. See what the 4 items that I'm going to give away are. Pick out the names, the things that you would rather have. Come back and tell me which one you would rather have. The cards, I'm keeping. The other 4 items, they're going to be given away to 4 different people. So go over, watch Bette's Box of Blessings, come back to this video, and write down one of the 4 items that you would like. If you would like all 4 of them, put all 4. If you would only like 1 or 2, whichever ones you would rather have, put it in the description below. If the randomizer picks up a comment that only has 1 of the items, and I'm picking for a certain item, I will skip that comment and go to one that has the item I'm looking for. So if you're interested in all 4, 3 of them, 2 of them, or just 1 of them, put it in the comments. So 4 winners, you guys go to Bette's Box of Blessings this past last week. Pick one of those, come back here, write it down, 1 to 4, doesn't matter. I just want to thank you guys. You've been a blessing to us. We're going to continue. We may be a little slow with videos because I'm trying to get one up every day for both channels. Crazy Days goes by the wayside sometimes, but we've got 2 or 3 fun videos coming up. Hopefully the cannon butter, I'm not sure, that may go on Deep South. I'm trying to wiggle back and forth between things. If I don't put a video up on Crazy Days, it's just because we're overwhelmed and busy. I've still got a floor full of potatoes that need to be canned, and we're starting to get rattlesnake beans. They're beautiful. With the contenders, the snap beans didn't do as well. We didn't hardly have any. I'm getting a few of those, but the rattlesnake beans look awesome. If we continue to get rain, they're going to be great. So video on that eventually. Thank you guys from Crazy Days.